Asofoɔ mo Ghana nyina, and I've seen some of them too no for bebree. Abetna talk kan kwasi asem 99% of the time we shan come mbem.
Kofi Oduro is a hypocrite. Kofi Oduro onya sofo. Kofi Oduro nya nokorefo. Kofi Oduro interest eye ade ba akope.
Ade ba je wo nkwa ne se obenya adwensakrantem. Now what guy said in the spiritual realm, God revealed to me. Now on reveal because that are now per quick envelope.
Asofoɔ azanfo bebrebe gu Ghana. Eye lotto forecasters a omo hye nkoma nom the windows be 30 abebo ho ne ehu. Ena we die enim say we ensi a we besi fo no bebrebe mugugu TV so any Facebook azanfo.
Ne ntia opa acha ne say enye nyankopɔn ena yi kire no. Na mom ono de ne pemu ena hye nkom na amam nti eseso obepa Ghana fo achew.
Kofi Oduro enka nokore. Kofi Oduro nye nyame nipa. Nyame bia amfre no.
We are suffer anything can say I are suffer bebre Ghana. They are not suffer. They are foolish people.
High fever because adia ba ko a hu pa ne se wa wanya fever da no. Se fever be ba so a eniama a wuhu no. Wan hwe ye obeto mic na wo firi ase preach say onyame yi bibi kire.
Prophet ElBernard egusu trend e media no so denden ya tse nya asem ketwa kra yes abusua Calvin Taylor ababeka ye ne nkomhye na o hye no ho nsem sanso so ana Okatakyie FIFA mensa so ababonti abetutu bi e de ma ye Prophet Kofi Oduro abusua nya asem ketwa Abronye DC no so ababetutu bi e de afa ye ElBernard enkomhye a o hye e de ma ye Honorable Kennedy Japan so obedi nkunim ye NPP presidential prime minister etwegu ye abusua ensem ni na no yebebo edi eremba meso se ni dim se na ede di kan oba channel yiso a na wo mi subscribe button wo mi abel na e won chen like video no so na bibia enye kama pa ye na enim nsem a etwagu ye before se eye NPP presidential prime minister no eba be koso nkomhye ahodo a ekoso okuruma na enye nkomhye keto na nipati turu a ono de otigina mu ede ma eye Honorable Kennedy Japan eye Prophet ElBernard ono ena ochima eye Honorable Kennedy Japan ana ebidi nkunim ye beto awie no ono ena be lead eye NPP party no to 2028 eye national elections a ye beto no abusua ekowie ase no na yesen kuku ana okodi ye eno ena Ghana fo bibiri na atwoma no ede asi eye ElBernard so ene nde behwe gumbe over gumbe enya asem ketwa we to mane no wa na we ato mane no wa ama ono nkasa abetena mbonto se asore no kura mbo wa enya anye biem yes o twen kakra o de ho kwakosi kakra kopim se nyankopo beka chense onsan beto na sori so ansa na wa beto so no ena Calvin Taylor ehwe asem ni dinos no wo so ka ho asem ono so ababetutu bi e dia fa sansem no
Matese nkofo bebre. There are so many people on the neck of one young pastor who prophesied about a election na MPP for koye you know, and I'm surprised to say people are targeting this young man. Hey, obi friend nyame na unjina hobi, and I don't see the reason why people have to target the young man. At the end of the day, ono kwa na ashe nkomo Ghana ebia nkomo na mbemana. For all you know, ni nyankopon and he decided say he's going to change it to test him. Ebia ni nyankopon and because when God decides, man cannot change it. Me friend nyankopon obi friend nyame na menjina ho. So the idea say munyina motumo no esi nipa baako ho and say young man be and ne sofudi ato. Yes, maybe it is what he saw. It is what he believed in. So if the God he worships, at the end of the day, the God decides to say, what I wanted to give you, I'm not going to give you again. And the God he worships changes his mind or her mind. I don't think we are all supposed to be hating on that young man. I mean, I'm into the dingrada. But I think that the selective way of people making it look like, say, Abronye wenkwana ashe nkomo Ghana, ambem. Abronye wenkwana oye nyame nipa oye software waka say odini bibia beto so when you go into the Bible you are software bibia to so but ebia happen so it does not. I don't see anything here. It's a lesson for him. It's a lesson. I think it's something to build a spiritual confidence in what he does, and it happens. And there are so many times I'm also be ashamun koma san common ambim not because enyo nyame na kache no ebi onyankopon na o kache no o fa ne so Holy Spirit na kache no it changed its mind. Onyame tumi sisa na adwene, and God does not need the permission of men or man to decide what he wants to do tomorrow. God can take a decision today and decides to change his mind tomorrow. So I was even surprised the young man was begging Ghanaians. He was apologizing to Ghanaians. No, you're not supposed to apologize to Ghanaians. you know what you believe in. So obi hwe na say say saa de na okaye no ambemunti onpeso beji nyame dia na obeko asori bi ma, that person has the right to go look for where he believes say ne comfort wo obetuma ji saa nyame ne di. But you know what you saw and you know what God told you. In isawaka na ambema, you don't have to apologize to men, because if you believe it was God who told you, and God can change his mind in a second. Yeah, you know, nyame sesa na adwene anytime against us, against whatever he wants to do. So I don't know. Sabrantewe, I don't think he is the only man of God in Ghana. Washen koma sebio sankom no ebia ambem. Asofoɔ mo Ghana nyina, and I've seen some of them too no for bebre. Abetna talk kan kwasi asem. 99% of the time washen koma mbem. Asofoɔ bebre mu social media eye dede about this young man. Prophetic den ekeka kansam make words up no. 99% of these men of God in kombi on beshe bia mbem. In koma omo hye na mbem. Once in a while eno munya right. Once in a while, no mean right. So why are you people? I some of victimize sofono. I just obia person tatano. I just say where do a young boy? Wabeka 70 young konechi young tatano. Hey, on a share income. Ambema or how on saying. On a share income. Or sending yamia catcher no. Or kayano ambem. So what will you dare now be? Ultimate foco. So would you decide when yanko pon ujiniji a chain software in yanko ko yanko pon way? I didn't take an hypocrite, sir. Young man, we're gonna share ambem. Asofoɔ azanfo bebrebe gu Ghana eye lotto forecasters a omo hye nkoma na the windows be 30 abebo ho ne ehu ena we die edim say we ensi a we besi fo no bebrebe mugugu TV so any Facebook azanfo munjan san kwase ade na motum ne esi young man no so no adan o hye nkoma beji obisika ana o hye nkoma ka say sebio obi na o aka kire say o hye nkoma man iskandi. He decided to say what he had to say, and no problem. We are suffer. Anything I say, I suffer be Ghana. They are not a suffer. They are foolish people. Because when point they also we are suffer about TV, so Facebook I say you are suffer say and a suffer way. No, you don't decide who is a good pastor or a bad pastor, because you before God you don't even know where you belong. You don't have the right to come and judge and come look like say you people have the right to mark pastors where you're right pastor, where you're wrong pastor. No man has the right to judge who a pastor is, or a good and also a bad. No. Now one guy's out to ye de bebrebe ye software we die and at the end wo no papa no ebu papa mu na de to no. Wo sha nkom nyina abem. You people should shut up and allow the young man to be himself. He's going to learn a lot from it. He has made mistakes. He will learn from it. But mamunya mo se mo ye super exceptional Asofoɔ. Asofoɔ ajantra from Google Ghana ye hu bebre. Ye bom record and come betuma dada. Kwasiafo mo ba twitwi Facebook akokwasasam and Asofo we die and the God die and the mom Jimmy nkono ha. Hey, the young man should come and do his nyamesam. At the end of the day we stand before God individually. Into onena obi hye no obi anhye no obi di tu ogosi ni so obi anfa tu ogosi so what's your fucking problem? Mo dey mo pick on people. You just pick on people. You pick on people. Ni entata we enti o hye kom no nke be mu a anka mo nkwasiafo nka de na nka mbeka. Inkom na o share no anka ebemu a mo nkwasefo na mo tete na mo nim Nyankopon adwene no kade na nka mo beka. You are all liars. Mo ya kromfo mo nka no kre
na esa Asofo kuku da mane wo kru ma hye nkom bebre a chese bia mbem no omo no munya baby e de omuti F5 because omo hye nkom a no mo de windows atso na so prophet ElBernard de ne de na ese wo anya baby anfa ne ti anfa because said o si hye nkom no ene se de na de bia o si esi so no na afi de akwakwa bibi sa ase o sa krampo company e de ma eye wo no obokere Japan afi enya de obetumi enya baby eye de adwane afa ebra eye wo no obokere Japan elusu ye abusu Kevin Taylor chima we enya de a wo se ojae na asori ne onko no nkonkoye na asori na ye Ghana fo no na ase nkrofo matwoma no edisi ne so no be obi a entwitwa ne nsam so eye Okatakyie FIFA mensa abusua ono so awa be toto heavy punchlines pa bombo awa be drop e de ato eye prophet Kofi Oduro so no enye bom ketewa chese ano odem papa ni na no efa ensem bi a prophet Kofi Oduro ebe kan ye e de fa eye prophet ElBernard ho ebre o hye nkoma ambem no oja na asori dem e defend no eno ena enam so ama eye Okatakyie FIFA mensa eso abe drop heavy punchlines at the amano.
We say I don't know whether to call him reverend. I don't know whether to call him prophet. I don't know whether to call him insulter. I don't know whether to call him shouter. I don't know whether to call him Kofi Oduro. But Yente Kofi Oduro.
God alone be the glory. To God alone. So I stand here. We will not castigate. We will not malign. We kewe ase ER00 enkwasiafoa edifo enkwa honorable park edifo enkwasiafoa bebre wagana. They told this government that they will win. They even said that they will prove to the nation that there are boys from men. Now the Bible said, Onyame on Kasanchiro will be known people I couldn't imagine Kasa. That prophet should not be feared. That word feared should not be regarded, should not be respected, should not be honored, should not. That prophet spoke out of flesh. Hunam dia benye dia untimi monse kwasi ankomshene kwasi adifone kwasi adiyene kwasi adwumanwa mode tigana han pia.
A few moments later,
I want to ask Ghanaians, please forgive Bernard ElBernard. We don't always get it right because we are men, and I think that it's time we let you know that we are not demigods, we are not supermen, we are men of God. We have made the error of projecting ourselves beyond our capacity. But if God is able to do something with us, we should be like Paul that says that we are unprofitable men. We have only done what we were assigned to do, and God alone be the glory. To God alone. So I stand here. We will not castigate, we will not malign. We are going to ask Ghanaians to forgive him, and we are asking the church to pray for him. He is one of us. We cannot desert him. You touch one, you touch all. We are wounded, we are all wounded. Because what he went through, I can go through. I can prophesy.
Kofi. Listen, let's be very clear. I think the hypocrisy in our Ghanaian society. So because ElBernard, a professor, yes, John Dramani Mahama be winning 2024 election. And no, or succeed, you know. If you touch one, you've touched all. Nebomono, your friend say, Sophia, walk masi, your friend simple. Kusibuating professor, my MPP. Say MPP be winning, MPP and winning. It's you know the omoye enkwasiafoɔ Asofoɔ enkwasiafoɔ edifo. You see the hypocrisy of Kofi Oduro. It is high time so Kofi Oduro will be unraveled. He needs to be shown for what he is. You see, Kofi Oduro ye Julius Debra Enua. Tienye. Oshasi anu okeke mu tie no odi wura eye politics mu ni ade nyina no. Some of us told you guys that our personal interest, nothing short of personal interest, say ni nuanom be wini na eno no wanyinya nya ho contract ni ade. Not because he actually believes that Akufo-Addo aban ni nyana Jomama was the alternative. Eti Kofi Oduro ni interest nyina ne say Julius Debra wo ye chief of staff eye Kofi Oduro ni nua. Na we make Julius Debra my former boss chief of staff. Yes ye mia no papa. Minim boni a waye. Minim boni a waye ntia ye mia no ni ade. Eti wa first no ye say was so touch na nko de call ni ade. Na all of a sudden adwom foi. You see Ewura John Mahama ni interest a shifted every Julius Debra succeeding him call Asofoɔ sen ne ho nkro ne ba ne anti e say health work ne ade nyina wagyayo. Na se saa na tie dia Ewura Julius Debra already 48 laws of power. Or say do not outshine your master. So I think at some point you were becoming too domineering within the space, you know, na overshadow John Mahama. And then the but yamra back to Kofi Oduro. Kofi Oduro is a hypocrite. Kofi Oduro onya sofo. Kofi Oduro nya nokorefo. Kofi Oduro interest eye ade ba akope. Adia no person we nyina ye change of government because Julius Debra is the brother. That I know for a fact. It Kofi Oduro ni bibi papa bia boy wo a national discourse mu. The work can be any personal interest. There is nothing wrong. Ye nyina wa ha wo bia wo personal interest. Enu nti na eni kwan se oko hide behind the pulpit, pretending to be discussing national issues devoid of interest. Over the period, I have always, from the days of Happy FM to XYZ to Angel, I have always said that I am NPP. I will be NPP. Nothing will change and nothing has changed. Except that whether a NPP or a NDC, when I need to speak truth to power, I will look in your face and say it as it is, without fear, without favor. And they almost said to me, "Jina no more cancer hunu." Sekadechia kebiatia na Dr. Mamadou. It's okay. Say me catch Dr. Mamadou Baumiano. Mujitu mudia. It means the same honesty, the same degree of honesty. Na me de kebi etia eye jomama abai. So the American and running it does not negate the American in it. My no ne toda na said the old pretty. But let's keep on. So Kofi Oduro clearly is a concern issue. As said by a year Breville. Kofi Oduro en kanokre. Kofi Oduro nye nyame nipa. Nyame bia amfre no. Nyame mfre no. Ye nyina ye discuss a year national issues. Kofi Oduro clearly is discussing national issues. When your politics obeye and wako hide behind the pulpit and walk kem netie. Yes, muntie but or a politician. Period. Muntie no. But or a politician. It is the lens of Kofi Oduro no yen sha se paper say and we Asofoɔ work national issues and I know na a kusibuaten kom sha memo so ye nkwasiafo Asofoɔ and na ElBernard because ElBernard a prophesy say Jomama be wini into us or ye one of us. So Kofi Oduro, the hypocrisy is just too much. I think you need to just come clean, let the people know me NDC ni me Julius Debra me wo interest e de ba se ye kan national issues so a me de meka a kire se me NDC kana sa ne nyina obi ahonto no ene gya asem akotete ana asore no achi na me yesofo na me discuss national issues and so discuss national issues nyina na etro setam
na so pe hypocrite pa dia na chese eye prophet Kofi Oduro sa ana Okatakyie FIFA mensa epese o kire o sa so eye politician ana wahye da kwako gina eye pulpit na chi ana ototo ebo eba park ne so na se we eye nsema eye Okatakyie FIFA mensa etoto edema eye prophet Kofi Oduro na otimu se nani abre se obe expose no abusua yamfa no ento nchen Abronye DC enso so ababonten ababe kasa nani nane se ebra na chese abato no eba be koso ye NPP presidential primary si ba be koso no Abronye DC de na nim se ota Dr. Baomi echi dendenden ena aya prophet ElBernard's so akota aya ono obokere Japan echi a chese wono kwampo esa hyenkom ede peso ebra aya Abronye DC be ba bontin bia ba be ka aya Baomi ho asema na so ba be ka aya Canada Japan ho asem bia no na aya prophet ElBernard's so ababonte aba retaliate na say ekwambia so no se abato no abawiye na tese ne nkomhye ne ambamu dia na say wono so ewo hu akonya se wo kire na adwen edefa ye fake prophecy na say failed prophecy na course na abusua ono so atutu bi ede afa prophecy any apology a or the ababonte no
or see the inaccurate prophetic declaration I made any tietiamwa ono na ye na momanye nyame ene yi kire no wagye atum senka nyame na yi kire na nka ebra o twere no nka obeka say prophetic declaration na oye ya nyame e reveal to him no but wantima anka se nyame ene yi kire no ana ayi prophecy ni ye inaccurate na mom ono no difri ni pem ene hye nkom edi nyame dini e hye nkom nti oye sorry senka nyankopon ene yi kire na ena amama ko nya chelpa eniama me a chelpa na na meka no senka nyame ene yi kire no ana amama nkonya chelpa because unim ne antia nyame bayi bibi akira wo say eda se nsuo bato na ade beche no anto onyame enenim otimi yi kire na mom conditions bitimi ba ho ema esesa asofofuo bebre enim asema mekan enya bibia nyame be reveal ene ba mu sanse conditions bitimi ba ema nyame esesa ne wa reveal a kire no enti na tawpai a odi abai no senka nyankopon ene reveal kire no ena amam ena obepa chewa nka ye wrong nka mimi say ofre me a ka me advice ne say o me pa chew but natural power in one way the other ne kwan so asan say ne enti a o pa chew ne say enye nyankopon ena yi kire no na mom ono de ne pemu ena hye nkom na amam nti ese so obepa Ghana fo achew ta fere ma hu difference no onyankopon yi bibi kire ne say amama yempachew sanse adifu akese a wo mabatwamu o ana ahye nkom na amam na mo manfa chew pa ma kram kristosum anwu sanse nyankopon ene yiye ana amam ntina ayeden onyankopon nim ne oye sadifu no na omode agusu gina so say onyankopon na yi kire na nyankopon yi ade ache ne se amama ono nanim ne oye den oye nti yentwan ne yenhwe awurade animonyam na mom ekokoye se me Archbishop Kwame Bafo Abronye ane onyankopon honhon konkontimi mu a mete akonwa kasie mu a me kanyame asem na ekokoye se eye me nkom hye na me hye dia me need to me say me shenkom metima ka kirawo ba me need to me say me yere me hye enkom me need to me say me shenkom wa awurade dirimu wa mreko a awurade anyi bibi mfiri enkire me basa esese me hu me doctor tentem bia na high fever eyede ewom high fever wom because ade ba ko a ehu pa ne se wa wanya fever da no se fever be ba so a eniama wuhu no wanhwe ye obeto mic na wo firi ase preach say onyame yi bibi kirewo basa immediately see your doctor ko hu doctor tentem ne ye mese ne mama bi ni biko ne ye ma obi nyeren enom enti sa fatwe konkon na enkom sha nyame yi kire adifu akese azaya no ma ye be ka ho asem enanyumre no wo mo hye enkom bebre enso o man pa ho achew sanse o mu nim se ni o mu hu ye no eya mpa efiri nyame ho na mom ne wa wodo pe ana ade nyame dini abata ho no se de brofo na sofo panyini prophet ElBernard's eson edebaye no ono de ne pe ena hye nkom ntu oye sorry ene de esese obi aye ne ya adwene ne ye gi achew panutum sanse ono de ne pe ena hye nkom nyanyame na biko brofo ba bia no otwere se ne nyame yi kire no enya sa na ti opa ho ato o se ono ntikal the language should be say nyankopon na so an se koka ena amam eno opa ho ato nye yie na mom ono ade ne pass yankoma amam no said the ono ane language oye carefree catch onyadaje ye language ni yie a ekire se na nyame nyi hwe nkire no 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 de ni pem na ye nti sa chopa we no esise nyina ye gitom se oman ne ye koye nim na kristosom ko na nim na soro ne gina na asoro ma no so nya gidie ewo asoro mu eko enye ono ne ye hwe no na mom ye hwe nyame a ebeba betena asoro dam ho aye adwuma Adia beje wo nkwa ne se obenya adwensakra ntem. Na wagya say in the spiritual realm, God revealed to me. Now on reveal you because that are now per quick envelope.
Next, diffo na mo hyem koma na mo de Nyankopon di abata ho no mo so mo hwe yie because said ya to aye prophet ElBernard no ebetumi ato mo so. Na busua obeka ya prophet ElBernard odi kan de first apology letter ne bae no. Osan so de another letter esa ba biem ema o cha nsemu se obese okotena nchen kakra. Be a season bi you find say 1 year and say 6 months bi na che say wasa back ansa na wa be chire and na obetoa eye na Nyankopon adwuma so eno na Abronye this say asambe na ElBernard e kan sa no enen de wato eja e de afa sansem ni na ho.
The second statement or the buyer say ebia for a season men fan say a year on me kanya me asem and na say onyina property so empreach no prophet ElBernard menene nya adwene. Se eyam papa se nyame adwuma ena Nyankopon na afrɛ wo ena so ye prophet dia untimi nyina nkom se a afeli so nkase wo nkwa asɔre enko ka nyame asɛm na kyɛ sɛ nyame dwuma na wo ye no wo ye ma wo nye ma asɔre ma no me ka kyerɛ pray se nyame na ato nsa afrɛ wo dia ɛse sɛ wo se nyame soma wa on soma wo sɛ bra be ye adwuma fa na mom nyame frɛ wo sɛ Koya dwuma na di akra ma me mawurade. Nti se nyame na katro se efiri na ekɔ for a season no enyi akra na nyame nka sankyerɛw. Se wo de ato wo so se wo beye nyame adwuma. Difficult via beto wa brabom bia no. Se wo na be create sa difficulties no e de ama ho ana se bronsam ne be mouse ama sa nsɔhwe na to no. Ese se otimi gina no se nyame nipa. Unless you say, oh, my yatias, yes, I won't afraid of who. Until a fair now, who could be saying, you may say, oh, my, quite a mere juma, they are fine. You know, you are doing. But, who see, say, you near dear because of that in comse and statement, and so you clear. Who see, because of some comse in tea, who could break a kakra for a season. Ah, unya, unkanya mea, some preachy. And wunyina property so any was sort of wunya ministry work no for a season no. The emfan safi da ben and nyame be catcher say because of san comes ya amamuntino ko break kakra and yes I me no nya adwene. Me too for say go back and continue with your ministry work. Go back and continue. And come say no nya nkwa adikanfo na behye biko enti se nyame adwuma no se otiasia ne se twere konkon no waka ne yie na se nyame tumi to mu dia na nyame na afraud dia the decision say wo say wo be break for a season afa na kwasere se nyame ema cancer ne guidance dia me no nya adwen se nyame de kana afraud dada enti kwaso na dia onyame dwuma kwaso na dia akra ultimin kase washe nkom amam nkom shene de a chelpa na yadi atum once yadi atelpa na to continue with your ministry asore no wonye mfa se wona anya kura na amamfo anya didie sa asore dan bi si baabi enti ye kwa akosom no eno nkura ya adwen sakra eno ye kra wo twe e de amatemamfo enti no that statement say who breaking so e hwaso me no nyare me no nya adwene sanse difo bi no ma hye nkomko but mo make sure say niam no bi wa mo beka mo ni kan hwe ne etro konkon ne ka no na ene mo na mo tuo ne mo nante emfa na nkofa asem bi anyere amma awurade asem no nti no po wumpo onyame adwuma ne de esese okokoyere usan ko na ukokoye na se ogina nkom hye ya amanfo bebre kase eye force no so say enu nti uko break 1 year no unim akra nka bia ka wo ministry ho enam so ebesakra ena 1 year no so unim akra wo mo wa sori dam ho dada ebesei enti go back continue with your ministry ye de The New Patriotic Party name me amemetiye. Minim. And niyama otra se obayati am become a challenge you. Minim nina. Because waka asem na ofi se oso. Wo carry wo se wo ye nipa kese. Wo carry wo se wo ye sofo kese. Waka asem na ma be challenge you. Nti minim niyama ototo ba park no so. But apology aba. Because of apology na aba nintino. And niyama oto ba me park no so nyina no. Me di nyina che. Go back and do your ministry work.
Let's Abronye chirima nyade one ne ya adwene o se okọ na okoye nyankopon adwuma because okọ na okase okotena fie for be 1 year akra obehwere no ni na nyankopon ebibisa no e de afiri no ho wate ase na ese wo se kwan bia so no forget say wa hyenkom amana feli onhwe so no onye ne nyankopon adwuma because we dey asofo bebre na akrampo atumi ayebi adifo bebre na aba ababesenko a o ma hyenkoma ampem na nkwa de ada na wo ma na kyekere afi de obeka se nya de obeya asori for some time na ese we Abronye this year or two a year ElBernard's for because asofo bebre na atimi ababesenkoma ankwa nkosi na so omoda so yo munyankopon adwuma yina yeti nsema Okatakyie fifa mensa eso beka ye edefa prophet Kofi Oduro ho sanso ana Calvin Taylor ono so eka na adwen edefa eye prophecy a eye ElBernard beka ya anaso obehye ya ambemu no ono so kire na adwen efa ho kire wadwen e wo comment section no aha eye inside jet ni dim mi subscribe to no ne mi abel na I want to like video no so na bibia enya kam aha ena wisha me de wisi makraw